find myself searching for shelter again and again. Against the wind, little something against the wind. I found myself seeking shelter again.